Geodesic machining, part awareness for pattern generation. Previously, geodesic toolpaths only checked for collisions between the spherical tooltip and the machining surface. Nearby features, like walls, had to be defined manually as check surfaces, often resulting in trimmed or suboptimal toolpaths. With this release, geodesic toolpaths support full part geometry input. That means fewer manual check surfaces and fewer toolpath collisions. The updated Tool Center mode ensures collision-free motion for the spherical tooltip, considering the entire part geometry. Linking moves are not included in this calculation. For complete safety, enable collision control and set custom clearance values as needed. This result? Toolpaths that are more natural, safer, and require less manual setup. Geodesic machining, now smarter, safer, and more efficient.